want to show you something. The Airtel 4G Smartbox. Let's see, what is this? Inside the box there is the router, the Smartbox. There's also as you can see, there's a safety warranty information in another language, and then the quick start guide. This is the services, Alcatel service centers, I guess. Then there is the power adapter. There is the USB cable. Then there is the Ethernet cable, which in my opinion, I think this is too short. And that's it. As you can see in the front, we have the power icon, the power, Wi-Fi, telephone, network, and signal. These are the indicators now. Then we have a power button on the front. On the side we have the reset button and the WPS button. Then on the other side we have now where the micro SIM card is inserted, the SIM card now. And as you can see, they already inserted my SIM card. You can try to pull that up. Yeah, there it is. Let's get it back in. At the back you have an option for phone. This is for phone. For Ethernet, there is two Ethernet ports. For this one, this is a labeled LTE and it is for antenna. So you can see this is for antenna and there are two of them. Then there is the charging port, which is 5 volts and 2 amperes. Then this is the lower side of the box. Now let's power the device. So this is now the adapter. I'm gonna pull the leg, that one leg. Then there is the power cable now. Then I'm gonna untie this. Don't mind me, I'm holding my own camera, so one hand is engaged. Then now we insert it to the USB port. So I'm gonna now plug in the adapter to the socket, power that on. Then I now connect it to the power port there, that USB port. Yeah, it lights. You see, it has indicated. Now the power shows it's on. I think I should press this one. Press and hold. We just wait. The network now lights in red, turns to blue. Now we have signal. Let's wait. It's taking too long. As you've seen, there's nothing smart about this box. It's just a Wi-Fi router 4G. Now let's see how it connects.
Stay indoors, manze. This is from me to you and only you.
I've been using the box now for 3 days, and I can confirm it's not bad. It's not like the Airtel network, so I can recommend it. So for budget wise, they are giving free 25 GB for the first month. I've already used 10 and I've not been streaming, so if you are a heavy streamer, maybe this is not the box for you. You need something with a monthly plan, but not for limited bundles. So they are also giving 40 GB for 2000 for 1 month. There is also these are the offers. I think for me this would be expensive because I can use even up to 5 GB in 1 day. So it means this I'd have to spend more than this. So that's for it for now, and thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, leave your comment,